did it, y'all. I did it. The only thing that I didn't finish is my laundry. I still have, well, actually, I have my last load in the washing machine right now. But y'all, I might have to get me a new washing machine because my washing machine was acting funny. It wasn't spinning. So one of the loads, I literally had to like wring the clothes out because they were soaking wet. And then the load after that, you know, it was like semi, you know, it wasn't soaking wet like the first one was. So I just put it in a dryer on high for 90 minutes. I'm so tired. I'm probably gonna have to get me a new washing machine. I think my washing machine is just dying on me. It's a used washing machine, so you know, it is what it is. But I'm okay. I'm not stressing out about it or anything, despite the fact that, you know, purchasing a washing machine is not in my budget right now. But, you know, it is what it is. I'd rather purchase another washing machine than have to go to the laundromat every 2 weeks. But, yeah. Thank y'all for tuning in to my cleaning vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see some more cleaning vlogs. I planned on like at the end, you know, just giving y'all the tour, showing y'all the house all nice and clean. But baby, I'm tired. It's 11 o'clock at night. I didn't stop cleaning until like 10, okay? I'm tired. The house looks good, y'all. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Peace.